In the next two experiments, we are going to use this very important instrument, which is a spectrometer. So let us first try to understand the working and the parts of this spectrometer. So the two parts, one is the collimator and the second one is the telescope. So collimator is also having a screw, a knob which we can adjust the collimator, and also the telescope is also having the knob to adjust the focus. So we know that at some infinity distance we try to focus it first, the telescope, and this collimator is having a knob here in front of this is the slit in front of which we put our source, the light source, and using this knob we can adjust the thickness of the slit. Okay, we can adjust the thickness of the slit using this knob. Okay, and then we have a table rotating on this. At this table we put our grating, or we can put the prism and whatever we like, on which the light source from the collimator is falling on this object, whether it is prism or the grating. So first we have to balance this the level of this rotating table, and we can use the spirit level. You can see the bubble in the spirit level is already balanced. The table is already balanced. If it is not so we have screws here. You can see a screw here. So using these screws we can level the system. We have 3 screws, 1, 2, and this side, this one is 3rd screw. Using this we can level the surface of this table, on which we have to put the grating or the prism for refractive index or dispersive power, or measuring the different wavelength using the grating experiment. This one is the main scale. You can see here there are 2 scales on this circular disc. One is at this point and one is this position. So because this is a circular scale, this is 360 degree, so the angle, the reading, if we take the reading of this vernier, whether it is V1 or V2, we normally put this is V1, this is V2, or this is either V1 or this is V2. So if I take the reading of this scale and this scale, the difference between the reading between these two scale has to be 180 degree, because the angle between these two scale is 180 degree. Okay, there are certain knobs. This knob is for fixing the movement. If I fix this knob, so it will fix the movement of this scale. Okay, and using this knob I will adjust this scale system. Similarly, the 2 more scale, this scale will fix the movement of this one. So you see there are 2 scale, the movement of the scale. This is the below scale, okay, and this is the upper scale. Okay, so if I fix this one, so the movement of this will get fixed, and using this knob I will move this adjustment. Okay, so these are the certain knobs. Now let's come to the scale reading. You can see here that let me show you the scale structure here. Now you can see the scale. There are 2 scale. One is the main scale, you can see, which is circular scale on this. This is 260, 270, 280 and so on. And the other one is the Vernier scale, 0 to 30. And the least count is Vernier is 1 minute. So let us try to understand this scale. So first try to see the main scale division. So the lower one is the main scale, on which we can see like from 270 to 280. These are in degrees. Unit is degree because this is a circular scale. So from 270 to 280 you can see the division is like 20 division. Okay, it is divided into 20. So 10 degree is divided into 20. So the 1 main scale division is like half degree. Okay, and so I can write it one main scale division is half degree. Now the another thing you must concentrate on is that this is the vernier scale. The upper one is vernier scale. As you can see that if I move it, if you concentrate on this, so the 30 is coinciding with basically 280, and then 27 to 270 to 280, this is 20 division, and you can see this is 9 division. 0 is coinciding with the 9th division. This is so 20 plus 9, 29 division of the main scale is equal to the 30 division on the vernier scale. Okay, so 29 division on the main scale is equivalent to the 30 division on the vernier scale, and its vernier constant is written as to be 1 minute. You can see that this figure is representing the different parts of the spectrometer, which I had already explained in the video, and you already know that 1 minute scale division is equal to half degree, and this could be different for different spectrometer. It could be 1 degree or half degree. The other thing was that the main scale division coinciding with the vernier scale division. So the 30, we have seen that the 30 vernier scale division, you can see that the 30 vernier scale division coincide with the 29 main scale division. So the one vernier scale division is 29 by 30 main scale division. And the vernier constant, as we know, that is defined as 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So so one of vernier scale division is 29 by 30 main scale division, we know from here, so we can put it here. This is 29 by 30 main scale division, and this is 1 by 30 main scale division. And because 1 main scale division is half degree, so we'll multiply by half degree, and so it becomes 1 by 60 degree, and this is equal to the 1 minute. So the vernier constant is 1 minute or 1 by 60 degree. Another important thing is how to measure, how to take the reading of the vernier scale. So this is the figure you can see here, and the total reading is written as the main scale reading plus the vernier scale reading. This has to multiply by the vernier constant. So as you can see here, the 0 of the vernier scale is like this is 150, and this is 150 scale. This one you can consider, and this is 155. Okay, so and this is 16, and this is 160. This is 160. Okay, so the 0 is going beyond the 155 scale, so the main scale reading will be 155 degree, and then we have to see that which of the vernier scale is coinciding exactly with the main scale. So you can see here this line, this arrow, this line, the vernier 15 of 15th line of the vernier is coinciding exactly with the main scale division. So this is 15, and the vernier constant is 1 minute, as we have calculated it. It's also written vernier equal to 1 minute. So it multiply, we have to multiply it by the coinciding division has to multiply it by the vernier constant, and since 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, because this is in degrees, so we had to make it in degrees, and so this 1 by 60 degree, and you multiply it, and then finally you get 155.25, the reading of this particular position of the spectrometer.